Snacks are an important part of our diet. They provide extra nutrients and help us feel full. Healthy snacks keep you away from binge eating, which in turn helps you in losing weight. Nutritionists recommend that healthy snacks should contain vegetables, fruit, nuts, or cereal grains. These healthy snacks will also cost you less than buying junk food. Combining healthy snacks with a good diet and exercise leads to fast weight loss. The following are 5 healthy snack ideas. Number 1. Avocado and cheese sandwich made with wholemeal bread. Avocados are a great source of vitamin E and C, as well as being high in fiber and potassium. They also contain folic acid, an important vitamin for pregnant women. Cheese contains important levels of calcium, and wholemeal bread is high in fiber. Number 2. Dried banana chips. Dried banana chips are often fried in coconut oil and coated in honey. Bananas contain high levels of vitamin A and C, and they are also rich in potassium. Banana chips are great for a carbohydrate boost. Number 3. Crackers and cheese. A very popular snack after dinner. Cheese is high in calcium. Crackers also come in wholemeal varieties, and these are a great source of extra fiber. Number 4. Fruit salad. You can combine any of your favorite fruits in this snack, such as kiwi fruit, apples, pears, and nectarines. This snack will help you towards your 5 a day of fruit and vegetables. And finally, number 5. Hummus and pita bread. Hummus is made from dried chickpeas, garlic, and sometimes tahini. Hummus contains fiber and iron. Pita bread is the healthiest bread option to lose weight. It is made from whole grains and contains many minerals and vitamins. It also reduces the risk of high cholesterol and blood pressure. We would love to hear your favorite snack, so leave us a comment in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please share with your friends and family. And as always, hit that subscribe button and bell notification button to be one of the first people to know when we put out a new video. Once again, thank you and have a great day.